Alright fellow coin hunters, today I'm unlocking the secrets of the legendary Lincoln Wheat Penny. Whether you've just found one in your pocket change, or you're a serious collector, stick around. I'll break down everything you need to know about these historic coins, from A to Z. First up, what even is a Lincoln Wheat Penny? Well, it's one of the most collected coins in the US, minted from 1909 to 1958, and famous for being the first American coin to feature a real person, President Abraham Lincoln. Flip it over, and you'll spot two wheat ears on the back. That's why we call it the Wheat Penny. Let's talk history. The design honors Lincoln's 100th birthday, replacing the old Indian head cent. Victor David Brenner created that iconic portrait on the front, and the coin carries classic words like "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the year it was struck. Now, where were they made? Wheat pennies popped out of three mints: Philadelphia, no mint mark; Denver, marked D; and San Francisco, marked S. Just check below the date to see where yours comes from. What about the metal? Most wheat pennies from 1909 to 1942 are 95% copper, with a little tin and zinc. But in 1943, the US switched to steel coated with zinc, so those 1943 pennies are famously magnetic. After that, it was back to copper until 1958. So, why are some wheat pennies worth a fortune? It comes down to year, mint mark, condition, rarity, errors, and demand. Most wheat pennies are only worth a few cents, but some rare dates and errors can fetch thousands, or even $1 million. Condition is everything. Collectors grade coins from good, all the way up to mint state, MS60 and higher. The closer to perfect, the higher the value. Let's get specific. Most common dates, like 1940, 1944, 1956, are worth about 5 to 50 cents, maybe a bit more for copper. But hunt for the big winners. The 1909 SVDB, 1914 D, 1922 No D, or the ultra-rare 1943 copper penny. These can be worth thousands, or in rare cases, over $1 million. Errors are another jackpot. Double dies, off-center strikes, wrong metal planchets, you name it. These quirky mistakes make some pennies incredibly valuable. Want to check your coin? Here's how. Check the year and mint mark. Test with a magnet if it's a 1943. Look for errors with a magnifier. Compare prices online. And if you think you've got a treasure, send it to a grading service like PCGS or NGC. Collectors love building full date sets, chasing mint state coins, and hunting for errors. Lincoln Wheat Pennies are hot in the US, but collectors worldwide are after them too. Ready to sell? eBay, heritage auctions, and local coin shops are your best bets. Just make sure you know the value before parting with your coin. And a word to the wise, watch out for fakes, especially on rare dates like the 1909 SVDB or 1943 copper. Always verify with an expert. So, here's the bottom line. Lincoln Wheat Pennies are iconic pieces of American history. Some are almost worthless, others could make you rich. Their value is driven by rarity, condition, and those all-important errors. Happy hunting, and may your next penny be a lucky one.